Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and getting immediate wins. Install the latest Android Studio and a compatible JDK. This avoids build incompatibilities. Once done, increase Studio heap to 48 GB to reduce GC pauses, and update Gradle and the Android Gradle plugin so builds use performance improvements. Then, disable plugins you never use. Each plugin loads code and UI elements that slow startup and indexing. These steps shorten cold starts and prepare Studio for deeper optimization. Now adjust your project and build system for continuous speed. Enable the Gradle daemon, parallel project execution, and configuration on demand so incremental builds are faster, and set org. Gradle. JV margs to give Gradle enough RAM. Once configured, reduce costly tasks, minimize annotation processors, adopt incremental processors, and avoid running unit tests unless needed during quick iteration. Also reorganize large resources or generated files outside main source sets to cut down indexing. Finish by improving IDE responsiveness and preparing for troubleshooting. Exclude build, Gradle, node modules, and generated folders from indexing so the editor stays snappy. Exclude large libraries you don't edit. Install Studio on an SSD and update GPU drivers for faster rendering. Only enable power save when you truly need battery life because it throttles background tasks. If things go wrong, check IDEA. Log for errors. Invalidate caches and restart, and use Gradle with stacktrace to surface issues. That usually resolves mysterious slowdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.